If you don't want to break the bank, but you want to totally transform your space, here are my top 3 ways to improve your return on investment. Number 1, and my personal favorite, is a fresh coat of paint. It really can make a night and day difference. When we renovated our new office, for example, one of the first things we wanted to do was bring in a lighter paint color. I believe the seller liked what we'll call a Clemson orange. So there was Clemson orange on the walls, and so we brought in a lighter color. We went with Benjamin Moore's Calm because we want to bring the calm to every transaction. My second favorite way to really change the look and feel of a space is to improve the lighting. These LED bulbs really can brighten up a space. But lighting is expensive. In our office, we had to remove lighting that had been installed probably in the 80s. These were really old canisters. It could blow out air conditioning and heat and light in the same way. Our contractors actually said they had never seen something like this, but they were these huge, almost flying saucer-like holes in the wall. So we wanted to brighten up the space because it's an interior unit, and we changed the paint, and we also brought in all new lighting. And if your budget allows, my third favorite return on investment improvement is changing the flooring. Again, we'll use our office as an example. When we purchased the building, there was dark floors everywhere. And I think with the older 80s lighting and the dark floors, it just seemed incredibly dark. And we wanted to bring in light and a whole fresh take on this. There's always a good, better, and best approach to any investment. If you can, I like to change the paint color, change the lighting, and change the flooring. But I do realize that sometimes you are constrained by budget limitations, especially if you're having to pay top dollar to secure your new office or your new home or whatever your new property need might be. If you had to pick one, I think a fresh coat of paint is your best bang for your buck. The good news is we do this for a living. We know who the trusted vendors are, and we know how to get you the best pricing. Our goal is to cut down on your stress and make your life easier. And with everything being so expensive and with limited inventory out there, sometimes you have to get creative and think outside of the box and buy a property that you can improve and make your own. It'll mean more. Again, I'm Angela Rodriguez. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.